So yeah, to install just a straight run of track, we already preloaded the track with the lights. We left this one out just to make it easier to hook into our next run of lights. So you just hold your connector, pop it in place, screw it together, and then I always leave this one hanging out just to make it a little bit easier. Then you can just pull it down. I left this screw out just to make it easier to pop that out. Push your light in, like that, and then you slide the one lip underneath your fascia. Like so, and then it'll just hold itself in place. Slide it over, butt it up nice and tight to there. Grab a screw. Pop one in there. Then you can line this next one up nice and tight to there. That's pretty good, not too bad of a gap. And then you just put one more screw in to hold this one in place. I usually do 3 screws on each piece of track. So there's another one there. And then you can just pop this connector out for your next run of lights. And then after you put that one on, you can pop it in and finish that last screw off. You're ready to go.